Most productivity advice tells you to work faster, do more, hustle harder, but that's exactly why you're still behind. The truth? It's not about speed, it's about perception and energy architecture. Some hours feel like 3 because of hidden psychology most people never learn. What if one focused hour could replace an entire morning of distraction? Let me show you how. Here's the framework: deep work blocks, strategic task stacking, and energy manipulation. Your brain perceives time density differently based on novelty, focus depth, and micro wins. Try this. Pick your hardest task. Set a 50-minute timer. Remove all notifications, then stack 2 smaller wins immediately after. That's the difference. 3 scattered hours feel empty because your attention bleeds everywhere. 1 powerhouse hour feels massive because you're fully present. You're not working faster, you're working denser. 1 hour done right beats 3 hours done wrong. Test this approach tomorrow morning. Subscribe for more time-bending productivity strategies. Your future self will thank you.